Debacle this morning. CPI numbers, the market going to the moon, inflation, all this amazing stuff going on in the market all the way up to the 930 area, up like 200 points since 8:30. And well, YouTube really let me down this morning trying to do the live stream. For some reason, YouTube just did not want me to live stream today. I reset my computer, I reset everything, I turned it on, I turned it off, I took the internet, I did every possible troubleshooting thing that you could do to try to get to work, and it just did not work. It's still not working, so trying to figure that out right now. Luckily for me, I made a trade pre-market after the news came out on the CPI numbers, like right before the market opened. Made a $2,000 trade. I'm going to show you guys the trade right here in this video live. Let's get into it. Before I show you guys the live trade, look at this move. The CPI number came out at 8:30. The market went from the 760s all the way up here now to the 920 area. Talk about a time to be making some money. I can't believe I missed out on some of these moves after the market opened. You can see here on the pivots, on the SPY, the pivots playing out perfectly here. We had that 389 pivot. We bounced off this morning off the 386s, pushed up here to the 389s. We got above that. We got the push, and there's that move up to 391.87 to 392 area there on the SPY to that next pivot. Above that, there's no SPY left. I mean, there's no pivots left above that level. So 392, about a 5% move on the day. Push it up there on the SPY right now. You can see here on the 3-minute chart some of the setups that I kind of was looking at. A beautiful setup. This is a Patrick Whelan setup all day long. Other than the fact that the MACD wasn't bullish here, I would say this still was an overall technically good setup here. We got the breakout from this move. So you're basically looking to enter when we get a break above that previous high candle. You can see the high on this candle was 90.25. The high on that candle was 90.25. So we did not break those highs on those two candles. So you're waiting, and then basically waiting. Didn't break this candle, didn't break this candle. This would have been your entry candle here at the 85.75. So let's say you're buying here at the 85s right there for that breakout. You get to move up. These candles are all pushing, and you get to move up there to the 920s. So, I mean, that's still an easy 20 handles from the 86s alone up there to 901. So you're getting an easy 10 handle move just right there alone off that 3-minute move, and then bang, that move up there to the 918. So, you know, if I would have been trading, obviously it's in hindsight now, but this would have been, I think, the setup of the day right there out of the open. Wait for that pullback. You get the move up, you get the breakout, and then boom, get that move. I mean, that's 20, 30 handles right there alone. Some serious profit. And now as the market pushes higher, you know, when the momentum is there, I saw people talking about getting short on the stream. If momentum is there, the market's showing strength, we're not trying to get short. Again, another nice little setup here. We got this push up here. We have that kind of hammer candle, almost a hammer candle there, like a little doji at the 900 level. Bounce off the 900, that psychological level. So from the 900s, push up there to the 922s. So another 20 handle move off of that same exact setup. Same thing here. You're waiting for that break over the high of that last candle, and then boom, up there to the 30s. So I think overall, really the best move of the day was that move at 940 in the morning once the market pulled back at open, and then, you know, 20, 30, 40 handles right there alone. So just an amazing opportunity when the market's hot. This setup, this overall strategy of trading that 3-minute breakout, you can't really go wrong. Today, I think the MACD was just a little, you know, having a little bit of trouble with the MACD because of that huge move up from this level to there. So the MACD is kind of funky now, but when the momentum's there and we're squeezing, there's no reason to do anything other than jump in and ride that momentum to the upside. Looking for this move up here above the 90s right now on the ES. Having problems with the live stream not working, so got a trade right now here long from the 74s, looking for a push up to the 94s or higher here. Lock in $2,000 in profit. Right now, look at, can we get this push up here? Got my stop at the 80s already, so looking to lock in at least $1,000 here. But I like to get more if we can get that push above the 90s up to the 93, 94 area. Can we get it all the way here? Let's get a big move up there to the 90s right now, 91s. Looking for 90, 92 is almost getting tapped there. I'm going to move my target just right here. I'm going to get filled. Watch it get filled here at the 92.25. Oh my gosh. Need to get filled. I'm going to pull it down a little bit here. getting filled. Perfect. So we are locking in that profit there this morning. You can see here after locking in that $2,000. So you can see here after locking in $2,500 on that trade, we are going to walk away after commissions and fees with $2,000 in profit. If you look at the focus, the big focus, like always, is look at this, right? The amount of winning, losing, right? We got 50-50 win-loss ratio today. We only took 4 trades basically, but we locked in $2,500 on our largest winning trade and our largest losing trade, $300. So again, it's very important. Keep those winners small. Keep your losers small, and make your winners big. You know, focus on big winners, small losers. Cut off the losers, take the profit, look for the move up. We had the 3-minute setups, everything was lining up perfectly, and there's that move. You can see, like on this trade alone, we locked in $2,500 on that trade right there. That last trade of the day that you guys saw. So just an overall beautiful setup, and there it is. You know, ding, 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 bang, bang, bang. Taking $300 losers, taking $2,500 winners. And you can see how easily my one winner surpassed the profits. You can see how easily my one winner here surpassed my 2 losers. So the focus, you know, big winner, small losers. If you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button, like button, you know what to do. Blow it up right now. I'm going to try to be back live tomorrow morning. I'm working on the YouTube thing. I have no idea what's going on. Nothing changed. Like I said, I did go ahead and reset everything, but still having issues with the live streams going. So we'll see what happens tomorrow morning. Obviously, I want to be live with you guys on the tube, and I want to be making money, but at the same time, if I'm having issues tomorrow morning, I'm just going to focus on my trading on Friday, and then I'll make a little recap video. But I do obviously want to get the live stream going here. So thank you for the support. If you guys tuned in this morning, it wasn't me. I was here. I was ready to make magic, but YouTube just did not want me to succeed today. So there it is. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, I'll talk to you guys later on.